Hi everyone, in this video we will explain how orders are retrieved, updated and synchronized between Shopee and LS Central. We will cover order retrieval from Shopee, order updates from Central to Shopee, order updates from Shopee to Central. Order placed on Shopee are automatically imported into LS Central through the Shopee Order Scheduler job. Alternatively, users can manually initiate order retrieval from the Shopee administration page within LS Central. This process ensures that all Shopee orders are captured in LS Central as customer orders. Each customer order includes an external ID field where the corresponding Shopee order is recorded for reference. Now we will cover order updates from Central to Shopee. To validate the order integration, we will create a test order using the Shopee Sandbox account. This involves selecting the appropriate items and assigning a logistic provider within the Sandbox environment. After placing the order, we will confirm its creation by reviewing the orders page in Shopee. The order can then be retrieved into LS Central either manually via the Shopee administration page or automatically through the scheduler job. Once imported, the order appears in LS Central as customer order with the Shopee order ID recorded in the external ID field. Next, we will cancel the order in LS Central and verify that the cancellation is successfully reflected in Shopee. Next, we will review another customer order where the corresponding sales order has been posted in LS Central. This action updates the order status in Shopee to processing. In LS Central, the order transitions to a posted customer order, and the Shopee order ID is recorded in the external ID field. The tracking number from Shopee may not appear immediately and could take some time to be reflected in the posted shipment record. This synchronization is handled automatically by the Shopee order scheduler job or can be manually triggered using the pull order option from the Shopee administration page. This ensures both systems remain aligned. Next, we will verify if the tracking number has been updated in the posted sales shipment. Next, we will explore how order updates from Shopee are reflected in LS Central. This includes actions such as order cancellation or status changes like processed, which are automatically synchronized with orders in Central. To test this, we will create a test order in Shopee. Retrieve this order in LS Central through the scheduler jobs. Then we will proceed to cancel the order directly in Shopee. The order has been cancelled in Shopee and we need to verify that it should be cancelled in Central also. The order moved to posted customer order as closed and order lines are marked as cancelled. We will now create another test order in Shopee. To validate the retrieval of orders with the process status, once the order is placed, we will proceed to arrange shipment within Shopee. Choosing either the drop-off or pickup option. After shipment is arranged, a tracking number will be generated. And the order status in Shopee will update to processed. At this stage, we will pull the order into LS Central. The order should be brought in as a posted customer order, and the tracking details should be automatically recorded in the corresponding posted sale shipment document.